How to make money with digital products. Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Today, I will talk about digital products. You can make money online with digital products. It is easy and no shipping needed. What are digital products? Digital products are things you sell online. People download them. No physical items, only files. Example, ebooks, templates, courses, music and designs. Why sell digital products? Digital products are great because no shipping, sell many times. No extra work from anywhere. Best digital products to sell. Here are good digital products. Number 1, ebooks. Write and sell on Amazon, Gumroad. Number 2, templates. Canva, Photoshop, business templates. Number 3, online courses. Teach skills on Udemy or Teachable. Number 4, stock photos. Sell on Shutterstock, Adobe Stock. Number 5, printables. Planner, stickers, worksheets. Where to sell digital products? Sell on Etsy, good for printables, Gumroad, easy for beginners, Shopify, for own website, Amazon, for ebooks. Tips for success: make high quality products. Use good pictures, write a clear description, market on social media. That's all for today. Do you want to start selling digital products? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.